Gambling can be a slippery slope, destructive to the people around you or in your life. On average, for each individual suffering from a gambling problem, there are an additional 7 to 20 people in their family/community that are also affected by their addiction. Up to 23 million Americans land in debt due to gambling, according to debt.org. The average loss that sends people into debt is calculated to be around $55,000.
Yes, I've gambled before, usually with sports betting, and I know some people who have gambled as well.
Gambling has ruined my life, basically. I've lost so much money that this is bad. I gotta stop. I lost over $700 gambling. I'll never get that back.
Like any addiction, you can get over it. You just need the right help.